How to change in Word centimeters to inches? We go to the file, open the file. After we go down, switch that one. After we roll down to the advanced, click the advanced. After roll down, and after we change centimeters to inches and click OK. After we go to layout and size, check the size and you see it's all in inches. All the size you can custom to size if you want. And if you want change back inches to centimeters, you do all the same what we did before. Yeah, switch layer advanced, go down, scroll down, change from inches to centimeters and apply OK. And that's it, simple as that. And after you see up is centimeters ready. Thank you very much. Subscribe. Bye.